This 2-year-old killed, crushed by a dresser that fell on top of him. Joseph Dudek's family says they had no idea that piece of bedroom furniture was recalled nearly a year earlier. Ikea issuing that recall in 20...
So like, I'm wondering, like, is that a parent or the fucking Ikea or both? Or is the furniture that just that cheap?
Lawsuit to a fucking wrongful death lawsuit to some California fucking parents because the child was crushed to death by a popular Ikea dresser. And they killed 5 other children.
Ikea is the devil, bro.
That was in 2020.
What did the owner say about this?
You gotta watch the documentary though, because the documentary, I forgot where I saw it, but I don't know if it was on Netflix. I'm trying to find a link to that too. But that shit is insane. Like they're trying to say that, oh, you know, we went back and we've done quality control on our products now, and our products aren't doing that anymore, and you know, this is the typical shit that fucking companies say when they get fucking trying to do damage control, basically.
But the damage has been done. What does quality control look like on furniture that kills children? Like, what are you gonna do? Get like a fucking a stuffed boy or young girl and just fucking throw it on the desk and see if it falls over based on a weight? Like how,
here's the thing about it, they do this shit in the mirror.
They have to prove that they're doing quality control. There's no quality involved.
Yeah, they're trying to say that they fucking like they throw their furniture down all this shit, and they do it as all these different fucking like things it goes through. You know, it's the dresser tip over lawsuit. This shit is crazy though, because they have all these fucking videos of like dressers just falling on kids. I'm sending them to you right now.
What the bro? How is that? That's why I'm trying to get full custody of. I've never.
Ikea is doing nearly enough. Ikea telling ABC News the recall offered consumers a choice of several remedies, which are still available.
Ikea dresser.
This is ridiculous, bro. I don't see how that is a possible thing.
I don't get it either. Like, you gotta be like, come on, like, you guys are fucking ridiculous. Bro, your parents.
Either the furniture's like, sorry, the parents suck, or the kids are just really weak. And I don't know if I can go with the last one. But fucking, that's pretty excessive, bro. That like when it comes to kids, it's like there has to be some kind of like awareness. I mean, if dressers are killing kids in America, bro, like dressers.
Like America, you can get killed by a dresser. You don't want to feel. You don't want to feel the weight of that pressure. This is where it goes down. You can get killed by the dresser.
Oh man!
You was trying to reach for that academic sweater.
Oh man!
Making it to your preteens is something you wasn't even able to daydream.
And then you're supposed to childproof your house once you have children. Like, I put things in the sockets. You put the things in the corner.
You're supposed to put knives out for them and fucking, you know, like you're supposed to put guns around, like just loaded with the safeties off and. You know,
I mean, if you're Satan,
it's like if you're Satan, it's like Satan fucking. If you're Scoobs, you just come out with the fucking something about sustainable furniture or some shit.
Bro, their furniture, bro, that is like, I don't even understand why another furniture company hasn't come out and crushed IKEA based off of that. I would be like, the furniture store where your kids live.
It's like the furniture store where your kids die.
That's IKEA. That's crazy. The marketing on that is like, that would be amazing. Like when Listerine came out, I think it was Scope. They came out with this campaign. They were like the mouthwash that doesn't taste like medicine, but does the job right. Like jabbing the opponent correctly. But IKEA.
Bro, who did that? Listerine said or Scope said that?
Like Scope. They were like the mouthwash that doesn't taste like a hospital.
I don't know. I like Listerine better though because at least I know it's working. It's like fucking. You feel that shit. That shit fucking.
That's true.
Burns.
But this furniture though, like, that's crazy.
It's all like IKEA, the place where you can hide your kids' bodies in the furniture.
No, that's actually Wayfair.
So Wayfair, man, I hate Wayfair.
No, I
don't hate theirs, but
do you know
there's some fuckers too.
You that wasn't a joke, right? You know that, right?
What, people were hiding their kids' bodies in there?
You don't know about that?
No,
Bro, this is what's going on with Wayfair, and it's fucking crazy. So you have kids missing, right? And the furniture, you know how Wayfair has all these abstract, like very unique, strange names. It might be like Marty 79 or like Arterwood Floor 58 Shaniqua, like some crazy shit, bro. And those kids with those names are on those pieces of furniture, and they're like in large like desks and closets and things like that. And everybody started noticing and started posting it on Twitter, and they took it all down. It was all over the news and everything, and they fucking did a cleanup job like nobody's business. Because think about it like this: one of the biggest industries in the entire world is trafficking children and young men and women. How do they get them from place to place? They have to be sent somehow, some way. So like it's not a far-fetched thing that a company like Wayfair would do that. And how do you have a trail for those kind of people to follow to do this? And it just so happens, like if I send you, if a child is missing and her name is like something specific as that, like carpet rug 974, and then I just ordered carpet rug 974, and it's like and just all over the world though. It's not like fucking 1, 2, 3. This is thousands. So it's like there's something going on. They want this to happen. There's people getting paid inside of these agencies that created for that. Like when I went to the government building, the IRS building, there's a big poster there. It said, if you know any children missing, call this number. And it's like, it looks normal to everybody else, but that's not normal.
Yeah, that shit makes sense though, because I bought shit from Wayfair before. I can see that shit happening, bro. The way they ship and deliver your shit too, bro. Like people would never know, bro. Cause that shit is crazy.
Why?
No, because like I bought some couches from there. Like they just bring that shit. Like I bought like the couches I got from the store. They just bring them, bro, in the big ass box. And bring that shit right to your door.
Oh, like it's
they got their own shipping, like shit, bro. Like they don't even have to deal with nobody else.
that's crazy. And you know what? It's the last thing I'll say about this shit. Look, the people who always advertise missing children are the ones collecting them.
When you buy them,
That little white card that comes with any big ticket purchase, send it back to the manufacturer, because if there's ever a recall, they will alert you.
and another tip, before you buy items secondhand, check to make sure they haven't been recalled. Tom?
Marcy, thank you.